Hey guys, Ian here, Nolo Designs, and today we are going to do an install of our Gen 1 ditch light brackets, and they're going to be on this fine specimen of the original recipe Ridgeline. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to put them on. Alright guys, so here are your brackets. Nothing big here. So got two brackets. You're going to need 10mm, and then what you'll do is you will loosen the factory bolt about 1/4 of an inch, slide the bracket in, and then tighten it back up to approximately 12 foot-pounds. And that's it. Do one bracket at a time. Use your paint marking here to keep the hood lined up with where it was from the factory, and you'll be golden. So stay tuned and we'll get to see me do it. Now, it's easiest to actually feed the bracket in from the other side. It's the easiest way to do it. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to take the bracket and push it back flush to the hood. And it actually looks like I did not give myself enough room on that bottom bolt. So let's go ahead and back that out a little bit further. There we go. Come on. I see. Fighting here. All right. Now that they're officially backed out far enough, we're going to be able to put these on. There we go. Boom. Slide them back into place. And then go ahead and tighten it down. The bug attaching to my back and my neck. We have lantern flies here in Pennsylvania, which I do not appreciate in any capacity, but they are here. Alright guys, so that's one bracket, and then I'm going to repeat the process on the other side, but I'm not going to record it because there's no need to bore you with it. You do the same thing over again over there. And I'll go ahead and cut, and we'll show you what it looks like installed. Alright guys, so here is the bracket installed on the first gen Ridgeline. It's giving you nice clearance, keep you away from the hood. You've got your slots here to route your wiring back under the hood, and it helps get your light up and off of the hood. That way you'll be able to actually light up this side of the vehicle. So there's your install. Alright guys, that's a wrap with putting the ditch light brackets on the Gen 1 Ridgeline. These also fit the Gen 1 Pilot. So it's a really simple installation. You loosen those two M6 bolts, slide the bracket in, tighten the M6 bolts back down. You're going to want to torque those to about 12 foot-pounds. You don't want to get carried away because they are M6 bolts. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in the next installation video. Until then, have a good one.